Country the big, you know. Road last, I can't walk up and down and say, well, so he lady say, every day, last time I vote road last time, no, me not see him. And see there, you want one stove and very blah blah. You know, we just cause the executive that time the PNP are PNP. That time we are group members, we get money out of one. We go buy a curse nice stove, give like, and then a curse nice stove and get the lady. Or did I believe our $120 did feed them time. And we buy we can say, Mummy, Mr. Last to send this to you. Remember say woman never see Mr. Last, you know. But we give the lady say, yes, Mr. Last. Mr. Last no nothing boys can go buy, you know. And we take him out our pocket and buy it, you know. And just how we go, you know. We give lady and our people go vote and Mr. Last buy our store. And we as comrade buy our store.
And you know, right, this is one of the major problems we have though. Because able-bodied people, you see? Able-bodied people are supposed to sit and wait for political representation to buy them schools.
Exactly. No, what I'm saying, no, man, I want old man. But you have a grandchildren and what did they have voted?
Okay.
Is that old man? Is that, you know?
Yes, Stacey a chance.
But what me I say, you see some people on the platform then to stop it. Because this morning, with the ignorance, this morning, if we are all PNP, it's not all of us is gonna say the same thing. And if all of us is not saying the same thing, you cannot say we are labor right and then you tell people say their vote is not relevant, their vote not important. A lady tell me that this morning and the month of the whole entire family are PNP. And a lady tell me that. So my vote no count. I mean, I must go say what she has said. So we need to stop doing something there. Everybody have their opinion. That's what me have to say. I was very disappointed this morning, but me a PNP, you know, so me not follow she, you know, but me just I say we need to stop.
And teacher, let her read a few of the comments. Let her read a few of the comments. We have to acknowledge them in the comment section. We have Delroy Pinnock say anytime PNP lose a PNP worker sell way out. That is true. Sometimes.
That's
some people think them have to get some to vote them to cut out that too. This topic is not edifying those on the platform who want to hear your message. That is true. Rush, big up Stacey. That is true. So we need to hear the people in the comment what they are commenting says because they have to be recognized. So what Rush is saying that Stacey is saying true, that is a fact. And that's what Delroy is saying. Delroy is saying now. Anytime PNP, that is true. Because even look at the incident in St. Thomas, one of PNP worker from the Fontil division was right there along with Dean Jones. I mean, I say eligible. Yes. And they almost analyzed the guy there. Weapons was cast and thing. And when they take a stop, he was in the van. So we can be sold out in many ways. So that is what I'm telling you. All we have to do, keep on encouraging other persons and other people not to.
Even for election, someone will say they not vote for election, they go.
Yeah. If me, well on you. Welcome you, Blair. You're in the box now, but hold on a bit. If me did follow in my area, when me do scrutiny work and do work for the party, I would have sold out for tile the whole of my house. You hear me say? Not one. The MP self came to me. The Tara one come to me personal. The Tara one come to me personally. And they send numerous persons to do whatever for them. And I said no. So there are ways and means what people been doing it in the party.
True.
So what I tell me say? All we have to do, we have to encourage them, tell them, let them know we supposed to be with him. So blessed I say you can be dieted. Yes, we can be. We have to be dieted because me as a scrutineer have to be dieted because
Blessed is dieted too. Blessed is dieted.
Manager, custom manager like Sydney Blair.
Excuse me, Cathy. Excuse me.
Like other persons. They
Don't
have to
get
be
me wrong.
diarrhea. All a bit, sir. All a bit. I am a diarrhea. I am hearing you. But when it comes on to calling election, I cannot say that I'm not working for them. Because at least I am being selected to be one of their worker. So me cannot diet. You understand? Me have to do my work. Me can't sell out the party. Me are the prayer group for the party. Me are the one who enginize. Me are the one who help earn the key. So I can't be like other people, like even when service I say, maybe it's disgruntled. Yes, we be disgruntled, but at least we can get them in a meeting. We can talk about it and we can fix it. And when we see that they're going overboard, we need to call meetings and let it be heard. That is not the way you told us that we will be going. So we can't say we are not the artist as a worker, as a cluster manager, as a scrutineer, as a this, as a that, as a PD worker, as a runner, and something there. We cannot. Anyways, Uncle you is here. Welcome you. We're talking about this. You're supposed to catch a little bit. So what you have to say, you were trying to say something. So go ahead, sir.
Yeah, man, I have been listening to the conversation. Yeah, but just want to say to my brother, you, that when he said Labour right now vote for PNP, we have to make that known over the public. Labour right from Labour right to go vote for PNP this election.
Vice versa, you know, but we just say it, we just say, many people put
but you know, so we can't make blanket statement like those, yeah? But away from that, I want to kind of shift the conversation.
Thank you. That one, though.
One comment had said that the discussion not edifying. Yeah. But the discussion are for the workers and the backroom staff. But I was listening to an interview from Marlene Mala Fort. She is the Minister of Constitutional Reform. And she was pointing out that everybody is saying that election is due by the 3rd of September. But it is not so.
The gentleman, we play some of the gentlemen clarify that already come right there.
Yeah, exactly. Right.
Yeah, we'll play some of the gentlemen clarify.
No, it's not a matter of clarification. It's not a matter of clarification. I'm not talking about clarification because we as comrades, we already know that if you want to be technical, you say the life of the parliament begin at the first sitting and end at the last sitting. The 5 years. So it's one or the other. So it can be the date when the election was called or the first sitting, it could be a week or so. But my concern is, here we have a constitutional minister reading out the constitution as it relates to the general elections. But yet still the People's National Party had to take the government to court last week where the parish of Portmore is concerned on a constitutional matter. So why didn't she come out and read the Constitution and see that what they are doing was violating the Constitution? Why she only comes specific about election? I think that from ever since, everybody always knows, well, your 5 year done, and the date in the car when the election was held, 5 years after. So we don't need no clarification on that.
They think of application job.
You understand?
People that want to come out.
Right. We don't need no clarification this one. Because enough constitutional matters went to the courts. And she did not come out and read the Constitution and say what the Constitution say for what it did not say and clarify. So when you come and clarify election, the last thing we want to know is for anybody to start with the Constitution where free and fair election is concerned. And the reason why I mentioned that is that Tuesday gone in Parliament, the Attorney General, Mr. McCoy, wanted to make it known that the Electoral Commission of Jamaica is only an advisory body. So the Electoral Commission is an advisory body. So it is left up to the whims and the fancy of the Parliament to deal with whatever they need to be dealt with.
Moderator, black no, that enough number you have to me know, the Chinese number, they make this as something I don't want to hear.
That gone long time.
Black it, don't mute them, black them.
Them
Black
black
it
long
for you.
Them black long time, them gone long time.
No, me see you mute, you should have blacked it.
Black him first, black him first. Black him first.
So I don't know why they brought the Attorney General to the Parliament to tell Jamaican people that the Electoral Commission only have an advisory role, and then they are mandating the Electoral Commission to report back to Parliament by the 31st of May. And one, the decision they made, and two, when action will be taken pertaining to the Electoral Commission came out the other day and said for Portmore to become a parish, it won't be in effect until 2026. So are we in a position now where our government in power with their two-peer majority is going to take control of the Electoral Commission of Jamaica and dictate to them when they should formulate a law sent to them by the Parliament, by the government side of the Parliament, because we cannot say the Parliament because the People's National Party did not participate. And so we cannot have government like that. We are teetering on dictatorship. Yeah, we are on the edge. We are right at the edge of dictatorship. You understand?
Yes, as you see, and as you have heard and know, and whatever they come up with, you say them and dictatorship, and it's obvious. Because we know in Jamaica that whenever you come to your 5 years, come to an end. The party, the Parliament dissolves, and then now you do an election announced. You understand? So I don't know why they come up with that. But I've heard that GenSec has released a press release. So
there's a press release. So I read it.
Yes, we were talking about it, and we have listened about on the platform here. So we're kind of aware. So we are here listening for you say the 31st May they're gonna come with something. So let us see if our party leader will be coming out to issue a press conference on it to educate the people and let us know what is happening. So we're gonna sit and see what is happening. Because I'm sure GenSec and party leader not gonna stay on the back burner and see things that is happening and not come out to educate the Jamaican people to see what government or what leader we're under with situation like this. Welcome Brookie Danger. We had another platform, he's in the back. He hosts his platform there, so he's in the back with us. Welcoming people. We have Winston up there. So
comrades, good evening.
Hola Winston. After Winston speak, then Brookie Danger can talk. Because he had his platform and he hosts it along. So it's in my background. So you got yourself, Brookie.
Yeah, man, yes.
All right, go ahead, Winston.
Yes, comrade, good evening again. What me come off to do still, I was listening all along, but what me come off to do, me are telling you still, do not entertain the negative conversation about PNP not going out to vote and make the labor them get any strength. Because they strive on our weaknesses. Remember me telling you that labor have no strength for themselves, they strive on full weakness.
Yeah, Winston, That's why we swing.
Yeah, me are gonna don't entertain that argument, brother. No entertain it. Figure about it.
All right.
I know make Mala who the fart, cause a fart, she the fart. Don't break on the concentration, no distraction, brother. Put the eye on the prize and keep focus. You understand? No matter where they're running, they come like a boxer in the ring, you know, and run around the ring, you know. At 1 second, they go and get cornered, you know.
Well,
so that they go on to them, you know.
Because that's how they do about MC. They always coming on something to counteract the people then. And let the people
Those are all distractions. Those are all distractions. Distraction after distraction. Because they know they must stay down the barrel of defeat them right now between them two years, which are their nose. Right, they so defeat a steer them. So they must try everything for hold on for every last second of that they must do. Because they know say any time election call are done, then done, and they not go return. So they must try everything possible for sure we have. To make we keep focus. Eyes on the prize. That's all we have to do now. And nobody listen to them whether they're in a parliament or out of parliament or side of parliament or back of the parliament. No, give them no relevance, bro. Make we do what we have to do. You think anybody could have tell me no vote a 47 vote count of my family, so all I would have heard that the man and more PNP more me and my family, no. 47 vote. You understand? Who could have taught me and my family from go vote against my wicked cross Mike and Labrata man? All dirty green lizard them. Who could have taught me from go vote against them? Now let's be wicked to myself, bro. So I say, brother, don't try to entertain nothing about the labor of them. If it's possible, never mention their name and go through them away. We are poor and that's why I have to call their name. If it's possible, don't mention their name, bro. Me a beg you no, please. Me a go on back, go listen.
All right, sir. Big up to you, Winston. Atalo.
Yeah, man.
Okay. Welcome, Sasa. Udaya.
Yeah, man. I mean, me just a giant still, but I say, when we can say from my angle, when me see still, I've never seen so many people interested to get a government out of power from the band till now. Not tell no lie.
Like them, like an application job, like them apply for it. And then I want to come out, like an education, and them degree get them in there. Them a come out.
No, but listen, me never watch them, you know. Me talk about when we see out in the street. When we go to Jamaica, the effort when we see people are put out to really get rid of this money.
They're coming on that story now. Talk, Bookie.
Yeah, man, listen to me. We have everything packed, man. Listen, as we one night Diego said, we just have to double down on what we are doing. Just intensify the vibes, communicate with the people them more, and we just have a private discussion as to how we struggle with them and how we are move forward. And listen, and we get this thing done. Because listen, as I say, we get the support from wide and far. We get our support from them, but we not speak too much on that. Because people just want to do them things discreetly, still, you know. I know labor right way. A PNP them a go vote, but them not establish that. And we respect that said, you know. So we just give people them space, make them do what they want to do. But people have made the right decision, man. A freedom we are fight for, you know. A freedom we are fight for. You know, people are gonna make the right decision, trust me.
Definitely.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, man.
I'm Brookie.
Can I come back in, please?
Wait a service. Comrades, it's when we attack as comrades, we are intelligent people. We have to listen to the conversation first and listen to the people and finish and don't jump to conclusion. Because when Sir Bless come and say, Sir Bless, me a dieted PNP, me will vote PNP and nobody can stop me. And then he proceed with say, but somehow we don't like when we are talking to, like a man will say now, if me, no other comrade, and we are talking to Jamaica and we are talking to independent people too, we can't be saying no. We just say, if our party, for instance, that we same thing, we still are supporting. But we all tell these independent people want to vote for us. So yes, when I same thing, we don't go to the area, we know better.
You can't speak like that.
So we have to speak. So we don't stop talk ignorant I want people saying, you're right. You have to talk facts. If we are campaign for this corrupt government, very corrupt.
Right. So
we are going to government to do the same. We must make them know that we not tolerate our government. We not give them no excuse when they come to power. We are going to be a rope around their neck and say, listen me, Jamaica first. We not stay like labor, then we are going to excuse for Andrew Holness start education at the certified in 4 years. And we all said, we will back him. The first year, if our party that certified education should not be certified, you must come to we and talk to this country. Why? We not going to allow you to come tell me about 4 years and about you're born, you have 52 Cumberland Road and one board house. Bad body. We not, no, we not accept that. We will not accept it.
No.
So we are choosing to get rid of our corrupt government by putting our government where we go all to the ball and to the fire. And we put you in. We are lead by example. So we are make sure to tell our leaders, say, hello, we know we leader, we know we leader. But we are make sure to tell anybody in our PMP. We please then can come do any effort. We not tolerate it. We not have to just resign instant. Nobody Mark going to resign.
All right.
Some people have said to Andre, say, when PMP winning, we just come get a job with PMP. Andre said, no, I'm still going to be a watchdog for Jamaica.
To beat them. Yeah.
Nothing wrong with that.
You see?
Yeah,
You see, so well on.
That is the point we are doing.
If we talk now, can we pretty up on us?
Sydney, one on there.
Hold on, I want to jump out. I just want to make a point. Hello, Uncle Sydney, just hold on.
Surplus time. Oh, surplus down. All right. All right. Go on, Sydney. So what I say?
When me I say, are you make a wrong statement, make the argument, you know? Can you say PMP do you not vote again? You can't say that you not vote again.
Oh, you mean?
You make a talk then, you know? Say you make a talk and you're wrong. You're not pretty tough. You make a bad talk.
You can't tell more for the Sydney. So leave the argument and make a move on. You can't tell more.
You straighten out yourself, but you don't want me straighten out myself. What that mean I like?
You misunderstand me, say, so we left it.
No, you say it plain, say you now vote again. If you take for instance, say we know it's not going to happen, but the market go bad. You're not going to vote. You say that. You say wrong.
Another thing now.
If you admit when you say wrong, man. You can't pretty up yourself and look like make we look like that.
You are Sydney behave on yourself.
Sydney, all right.
Sydney, man. Can Sydney just go like ignorant, like man. Sydney act like him.
We're not ignorant, but two different points. So you are straight
everybody. Don't forget that no man. That's all good. Stop.
Cut it out.
All right, Mr. Sydney.
One floor. And we have Windell.
All right.
Windell Black. Who is Windell Black? Say early.
Labor right.
We don't want you not to fry you. We'll take you out of the box.
All right, yo.
All right, that is it. When me come up your office, say?
Yeah.
Me just did listen to I listened to Isaac over him live a while ago. And you see when I talk about the setback election and all these things, it can't will never happen.
Yeah, right, man. I thought the girl.
Listen to him.
I'm mad girl. Me like a girl. Mad girl.
All right, let's have some respect.
Not evil people talk about it. It cannot work. Based on what he must say him have a right and he have all the power in the world to call it one day after he win, a week after he win, a month after he win, whenever time he want. But you see, when he comes to go behind, him cannot ramp with that.
Yeah.
Election.
That
as we always explain, it only can be like disaster, anything happen where they can say, all right then. You get what I say? But as long as everything I want to move and everything all right, I mean, him just a laugh after Malawi fart. You understand? Because she mislead the people and I read some wrong part of the thing there. You understand? But your comrades don't worry about that, man. Everything good.
One floor. Why them always going to dig up a little part of the constitution laws and I bring it out to the people then? You see how them try to educate the people then? That's why they don't love education.
No, what she try to do, she try to play with the people in mind. That's all. She just try to play with people in mind.
No, man, he must send them out to come start war, people work.
Yeah, but we don't need to pay that no mind. We don't have to pay nothing.
Remember,
just move on with regular business and our
So this is a hot
But
topic.
I would misinterpret the Constitution. So we now watch this.
Right, just move on with regular business because that will never happen. Remember, we have the best lawyer them ever, so we don't have to worry about them. Them are idiot. Exactly. I run up and down like a headless chicken.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So, okay. Listen, man. You see them, I budget, you know what, a destruction, them a destruction, they don't want to have a budget, because Mark Gully budget paralyze them. Then don't want, because you see us in part of the budget, the part they have them, first thing you make Andrew chat for the parliament. That's the first thing. When Andrew was still Mark Gully budget, and then go home and try, no fight, all when I talk about all when Mark Gully say, I'm going to give $1 billion for the musician, what they want to name? What they when you say, yeah. When you call them people the cultural industry, when he might explain in parliament, he might explain, understand, no one shit him do. He just attack all kind of bad, but we need this to this, and he don't know him talk about this because.
But remember, I know, come on, you remember, the PNP was the person that that direct persons to go on this platform, because it can't have used to them, Remember that,
Yeah.
Members say at them introduce it to them.
Yeah. And they run the idiot and Mark will say more pay weep on TikTok.
no go so nobody on TikTok now get paid. Them
that's stupid and fool. And even know say even them I got benefit as content creators.
It's so naive.
They're stupid, man.
What if you know how they know? Because they raise them pay every 300%. I know raise the teacher they will make they can come thief with and make mismanage the Jamaica people business and do some corruptive things. And then I remember who say do that. Say them are evil.
Right, because I mean it's better to make
me bright.
It's better if you make $100 a month on TikTok more than sit down and making none, Because you can't just sit down yourself, just do your regular thing yourself. You can pick up if I buy $100 when month time come, it's better than none.
So wicked people.
So we don't know why they have a problem with that.
Wicked man. Then just take the inner milk cup and put it up there, then one and a
half. For Sir Bless. Sydney, Mr. Blair. See the order. Sir Bless.
And somebody else coming up.
Sir Bless.
Yeah, my brother. All right, listen. You see, we are trying to make a point. And we try to misquote one another point, especially to Uncle Sydney. Listen. Election is a democracy. All I know, Uncle Sydney. All I know.
No, man. But we say we don't want to go back there, so man.
No, we're not going. No, this election now. We're to make we world politicians to the high standard. Because we're not even a real governance thing. You understand what I said? When you vote for a leader of a country to take care of local policies, you're looking at you vote for a council. Your council is supposed to know every street and lane in a division. The member of parliament supposed to visit the constituency on a regular basis. That's the way we're going to get value for money. So when we're going to go now, and I say, all right,
you have one fan or you drive?
Maybe the breeze.
Yeah, man. Yeah, you breeze.
Right, let me come out of the breeze.
Mine TikTok will struggle,
Yeah, so we don't want to go back in. Nobody has said that. We said when we vote, we know that Market G, and we're going to hold Market G accountable for physical policy. Nobody never said that was in PNP. Nobody don't say that to stop misquote people.
Yeah, nobody never.
We just talk about propaganda. So don't misquote me. Policies we are talking about. We are 100% confident that Market G is going to put policies in place that better the mass of the people. But we are saying we get because of fool. We cannot beat Andrew Holness about bad policies, and when we look now, we're going to our party. So how what we're going to talk about? We not going to talk on. We want to when our government come in, they put the things in place that make you and me better. That we are talking about. So do not misquote the statement. We are all comrades on one platform, and we're talking and battling for the mass of the people of Jamaica. Right? So I'm not bad to PNP, I'm not bad to get. Two me come here back for. Thank you very much.
Comrade Sydney.
And I'm very upset.
Comrade Sydney.
May I say, I know, me here acting and one lady tell me say a true. That's why I believe. I lady say watch out, if you don't know that true, go up there and ask yourself. Me never know say the man myself cardboard bed at hospital or public. $500. $500. Yes, like how you have a reggae bed them, the cardboard bed them.
Come on, Sydney.
You never know say a true.
Come on, say, what a little bit. The person just come up. Oh, who the person? We just come up.
Michael.
Marshall, man. Marshall.
Oh, Marshall. Okay, continue. Comment, Sydney. Mute Marshall. Mute Marshall.
Comment,
Sydney. Yeah, man, I come. He's a comrade.
When me hear one guy when say so, and when me hear I will lady say a true because she get her apartment go there, but he put her so you have to go back next week. And the lady tell me say a true. She hear it and she sit cardboard there so when them say the port area. A $500 with some cardboard cut up the people have to sleep on floor because no bed no there. And the lady confirm me say a true. $500. You hear me?
Yeah, we hear you.
So when the it thing I get from bad to worse, if more we are talking, that it get worse, man.
So one thing we need to video them. We need to video them. That we can and put them out there.
You have to left your phone. You have to left your phone them say with the porter now. You say the one. You say the security guard. I mean. They might take your phone from them now, the security guard, you can't carry it in.
Okay.
You left your phone.
Okay. So
that is the problem them I do. You can't carry your phone again. You have to left your phone because the security asks you what you have. And some of them maybe search you. Them search you, The lady said them knock your pocket and your waist. Before you go in there, if you're a man, and the lady them search your little bag while you have her, woman which part of search.
You should have phone in there so you can always use your family member who's to have a phone do it.
See? Yes. So, a serious thing I go on. The next thing again, me hear them always talk about the mole. But me believe I will just one little thing pop up. But when the man show with the film, and me look for it, and some big old round circle, me see the mole them in the ceiling top and the wall, Some big old mole and them I said the mole sick the nurse and the doctor them, and even the patient. Some of them even kill them to death. They said more there because it's like a
bucket people them.
You see?
After I set one time, man.
So
me attack a big old 5 gallon bucket. So that no must bring all the more man, all the water.
Yes. So when people attack, it coming like a joke, but a serious thing about the health system, brother. So when America say tell the people them say nobody look on Jamaica health system, the man them serious because they massive more than we.
Mr. Sidney, I tell you, you're going to hospital with 1% of cancer and come back up with 100%.
Marshall, wait a minute.
I'll show you something, say man. I'll show you something, a serious thing going on the health system, man. No joke about it, man. See? A man said the common things, them, he left from bad to worse now. There's certain things where you have to go send you different place. But you say up to the common little thing, not to bandage. They must say no go buy bandage, certain kind of bandage not did it. Right? What you wrap you get a cut. Your pin when me know they always tell you go buy a pin, it shouldn't go so much. And all them things that you have to go buy it. People used to walk with pillar and all them things as choice. Choice are you. And you're gonna carry one sheet at your choice. And no choice you have to carry no dead. It's like a choice again if you want to sleep on it. You don't have bed no much less pillar. See? So I must be looking into it as a disaster going on the health system, brother.
No, that we not talk about health. We don't know the greater thing when we see happen lately though. Imagine the people, the poorer class of people, the poorer class of people within. Say, and this is just one test within St. Andrew. We want to see the test the rest of Jamaica. The poorer class of people within St. Andrew who lives in the rural area and drink shit in them water. And them things cause sickness and them are poor people and when they for the hospital, you know what go again. And this are the taller point I want to make. I'm not really going to stay long. You know. See, imagine we vote for your government, we are going shit in a water. How can that be? What can go so? Tell me, what can go so? And Sir Bless said something a while ago, say, them going all mark, and we going all mark to a higher standard. Look here, the standard is set so low. This current government, it's hard to even one mark to a minimum standard. You know? Me I tell you, the standard is so low. The standard of this government is so low. If we set a standard for mark, boy, trust me, it's very low. Because there's no standard with this government, because poor people suffering left, right, and center. Then they say the economy are grow, but the country not grow, the people not grow. The people not growing. I kill we have now because them want them and they rich red for control Jamaica, give shit in the water. And that's my 2 cents.
Thank you, Marcel.
All right, Comrade Blair. Sir Blair.
Let's give me a minute. That's all come back here. Let's give me a minute.
All right, give Comrade a minute. Well, have something to say.
Winston. Winston, I have something to say.
Winston. Instead of a request, but in jump.
Mr. Who?
Comrade Cole.
Okay. You soon gonna soon come up. But as me I say, his standard, I only part leader too, is his standard. Dignity, decorum, honesty, and decency. Him set the standard and you standard set for him, you know. So we not expect nothing less. You understand? Nothing less. Yes. Nothing less.
True.
And integrity. Yeah, we're not willing to the standard. Can't you understand that? We are willing to fit him standard, to his standard. You understand? Yeah. Man of integrity. I'm mad with respect. I'm very intelligent man. That's the way I willing to.
You know, we not understand it, we Jamaican. We not understand. This man, today when the guy, when me come on, I was listening to one man have venting art, say, oh, they did expect Andrew should be doing better. I think it is a labor right when he makes the viewing profile. And he said he expect him should have done better for Jamaican people and then lose out of them and thing like that. And then now me was streaming it. And the labor right then jump in and me I tell us, say, oh, them a be here, me tour with them, coming a free year now for. The one who me not cost number that me not go to proportion with them. You understand? And you have to be respectful as a host. Bookie gone. Bookie then know and rush there then know. We have to understand as a host how to deal with the situation. And I was there talking to them, telling them as it is. And then come and talk about Marky G and Bird Paper and Marky G and in the Banya, all these things. Why then stay so? Because at the end of the day, you have Matthew, you have Vazo, then the people when the have to go court, you know, in order to force, you know, he was forced to give up him something when he gave. And they don't speak justice. They are so dishonest. In all of them idea what them believe in, and you can't talk. You want your mouth to shut. And that make you understand with them. I mean, like when people say so, we have to be true.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, my friend.
Bless God, good afternoon.
Let me tell you this. You know one thing when you're in desperation and no substance, that's the thing where creep up in a labor right now. Then find out say them are good on. And the only thing where they can't try if because they don't have nothing to throw at Mark Golden, the only thing they can't talk to in the bar.
Bless, you should have make to finish, man. You should have make to finish, no?
No, me just say it. All right, yes, you can
finish. But make to finish and they do it, Adam. You finish then, Diane? When you finish,
Oh,
Damn.
we can go. Me was just highlighting all them as a mark and mark this. And mark
Okay,
and
all right.
this phone,
Continue,
back
bless.
up and big TV.
Continue,
What's the
bless.
difference between
Yeah,
going on
all right.
Andre?
What may I say
Hold
now?
on. What's the difference between going on Andre Stevenson platform to show and persons cause it the glean and them take it and they go with it? What the difference? Him still is a human being being highlighted in a small room like this. You come in a church and what me I just give an example. You come in a church and pastor. Pastor get old, you have a minister. When he drop down the minister, go up in and him sit down and oversee it. So it's just like even Andrea carry marketing if the other person style, you can't talk on clip do something them, you know. You can't barely talk on TV, you know, because they must shut you down. Because they are the one that covering up all of the corruption.
David, mute.
You understand? So when you get up now and you can go across the highlight the things them and what is happening, it's hurt. So you have to take some small platform for people like me and you where you know say the indigent them, the poorer class of people them, to understand the policies. What is happening in and around the community around and the area and in the whole entire Jamaica. So what the difference? You go say you know carry pan this and you know carry pan that. A quote with a figure be him sitting there for in Lord the man. The man that born there and go give
Hey,
and give it up.
my friend, look here.
Wait, David,
Hold on there.
make bless.
Yeah. You know, let me tell you. You see, that they can't make them lose the election because right now, Jamaica turned against the JLP and Andrew Holness right now. And guess what? We know. Because you can't have a prime minister who believe to say so comfortable and can't call an election. You can't have a party who believe to say the PNP mash up and win a unite and then can't call the election. Then can't even face a mash up PNP as scarring to them. You can't have a party where I jump up about in FinSac every day and you can't show the report and you still can't call an election for you just a weapon against the PNP. So guess what? When no say JLP don't have no substance, they don't have no quality. But I want to ask you this, you know. With this 10% tariff, because me then I discuss this man and some people are debunk me and I say, boy, right, I know are the wrong way me I say it. But more ask you something, Mr. Richard. Does the 10% tariff benefit the exporter or the importer in America?
Importer in America. The importer in America I go pay it.
But all right. But if me export to you, you live in America, no, I live in Jamaica, Mr. Richard. Me export a container load of yam to you. And you, I go pay the tariff.
No, the American people pay tariff. No, you.
No, but hold on, listen to me say. You live in America, so I'm going to export my things to you.
Yeah.
You're going to be the distributor to the buyer, them.
Listen,
the red word that slip me.
You come
the
buy
consumer then. Hold on.
But may I explain to you, you're at a wrong premise. You come buy it at Jamaica. You know nothing to do with it. And when you go over there, die customer them over there place. So them will decide to buy. So if they now buy yam again, we stop selling yam. It's too expensive.
So we all right. But what may I say? If me I export it to you, you live in America, no, but me export it, you buy it. So you have to pay the tariff then. Yes. But the tariff where you have to pay, you pass on it to the consumer.
Over America, we're not busy with that.
But you no, you not get me on now.
We have to look on it this year.
For Jamaica.
Yeah, hear me?
So who the tariff go on? The country are the people?
Hold on, bless. Hold on.
Yeah.
Hold on, bless. Hold on.
Yeah. Listen. Hold on.
Cool on.
Hold on. The exporters in Jamaica.
Yes.
Right? It's going to cost them 10% more to export.
No, not. Hold
on, man. Let me make the point before anybody come in.
All right.
The exporter in Jamaica.
Yeah.
One, him can cut in profit. So that when the Maxfield bakery bun, and the tin mackerel, and the all-purpose season reach week, the price don't raise. Him can cut the bottom line. Him can leave him bottom line and raise the goods when it comes over here. Because the person who get the goods in America, the goods are going to go up by 10%.
Yeah.
So the 10%
going to affect Jamaica.
and we are going to pay the 10%.
So my taking at that, you. Both countries are going to be affected because you know, if you as an exporter,
the exporter only one thing.
All right. If you as an exporter, you have to depend on the importer to take the goods from you. So if tariff upon it, and me usually take £100 a yam from you. To the markup when me have to pay now, maybe I try to cut costs, maybe I'll take £50 from you now. So now you have to sell it.
I may ask you to sell me cheaper. I may ask you to sell me cheaper.
To sell it to me cheaper. If you can't sell it to me cheaper.
So the cost I go between me and you.
Yeah,
Exactly.
so
because me are the exporter now.
Either you go cut.
Yeah. So because me are the exporter now, I want to sell. So here me I go now. Me I go to the farmer and say, boy, me can't take it for $30 a pound again, because based upon me have to pay tax. So me can't take it for 25 now. Because the man over there I go say, boy, if me take it from you for the same $40 a pound and then me have to go pay 10%, it don't make sense me buy it from you. I bet I'm just low it in.
Well, there's another component to that too, though. You have to realize that goods coming from America attract tariff too, Already. Remember 10%. That.
But data did say it and the labor right I kill with.
No. Hey, listen, man. Bless one. No, listen. Somebody we have to calm. Listen, man. Jamaica, you have to pay 10%. America, you have to pay 10% tariff on America goods come over here. Well, Donald Trump say I retaliate. So I put on the 10%. You see, when you see 10% now affect our export and none at all. And the people in America go pay. Where I am force the American them to start producing in America and left.
Yeah. But that's we had that same point we had
It come back down to
no, but let me finish.
Because if they force them to stop take from we not have a market.
But let me finish.
But so much affect with that time.
Jesus Christ. Let me finish that. There's nothing we're going can do about it. Nobody blame we're going from that doing. We're going to can't do nothing.
We don't blame no government, none, brother. We are blaming Donald Trump.
So look, then Donald Trump, you can't tell him of the in country or him or in country.
So guess what now? So what we are trying to get to know, the talk where Marco Rubio come here with closed door, it was significant, but Andrew beg them to not expose it because but Donald Trump don't like it.
Listen, man, Donald Trump tell me from a long time. Donald Trump said, yeah, he might get him out the tariff. Donald Trump tell you that. So everybody knows if he but where Marco Rubio come, the Cuban and the Chinese. That's how Marco Rubio come. Come on the tariff.
Let us be fair. The tariff is not only on Jamaica,
Yes.
It's a worldwide tariff.
It's a worldwide.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
Understand? It's not just applicable to Jamaica alone.
And this not this is the beyond politics. This not Jamaica politics.
My advice to the government
is do not at all.
Just leave it. Just make it right.
Make it right.
We can't say something like this a minute. Hey, we have
to finish one conversation for everybody coming.
Me just have put in a 2 cents in the sky. Hold on, have this thing wrong.
Make it try to clear up this one, daddy. Continue,
Mr. Say something to you. Hold on, just say something. You see tariff? You see tariff? Hold on. You see tariff? Listen, man, me just say something to you. You see tariff? Tariff is to save American job. So if you introduce tariff money, that means you're going to turn in front of sitting and go try produce in America. Simple as that. Make some American do it. As simple as that, you know.
Yeah,
and Jamaica
can
cannot do it because the amount of things.
Everybody attack like they know and them not understand. That's gonna calm them and one somebody talk, man.
Yam can't grow America. Yam can't grow America.
Yam can't grow America. So listen me. A man put tariff on yam, bun, anything we say about the tariff I go upon it. You get me I say? All right.
Anything we not create in America.
Now go stop the Caribbean community in America by still supporting our Caribbean island.
Yeah, exactly.
The point $1 or 50 cents up
they
here.
Still
going to support the Caribbean.
Exactly.
It is of no benefit to Jamaica to get to that trade war with America.
Jamaica can't manage that. So no government can that. So this is not for the government. Low it. I would the only thing government can do is ignore it and just make it go on. The Caribbean people them still go buy yam and they still buy them both.
Who say yam can't grow America? You know amount of yam grow Florida. Who not tell yam can't grow America? Which part of Florida in America?
That's crazy.
What do the man?
Yeah, continue. Where's Dian?
Let me ask you something. So you feel since we got that visit from this America here. We got the visit from the secretary. They was sent.
Marco Rubio.
Come up and talk about this war thing. Jamaica go real giant or what it is?
You know what? Giant what?
The war something or whatever. Me just saying.
Jamaica and nothing for the war. Where we are going to join war? The war we are going to war.
Why she's coming with this in her mouth?
No, it's in the hey, listen, man, it's in the constitution. So she does not tell you where in her constitution. But as she not understand, that's why we not appear in her mind because she not understand. Let me say we better go at this. So.
No, not really. Something they something there you have to just touch because sometimes with what they
but that one something but irrelevant not at all. It's saying in our constitution say the only way we can say Jamaica that's war. We have one we can postpone election for 1 year. Like in a World War 1 and World War 2 when them postpone things. that don't make no sense. You get me? I say that not put me nowhere. But with the tariff thing, Jamaica can't listen to me. I must say about 100 countrymen put tariff on. The only country that get tariff is Israel. Every other country get tariff.
Yeah.
And listen you. Our export. We don't export not much from Jamaica to America.
Wait, you know, I see, and I think Mr.
Export.
And Mr. Blair, you say something about it. You see, Jamaica them and the Caribbean them still go buy with pepper, them still go buy with yam, them still go buy with bun, them something they still buy.
I was just on the phone with somebody, and we are trying to go get back Lisa money.
Yeah, so in
a sense, Mr. Blair, right? Because our export bill is our imported bill is about 3 times we export bill. So you know, we import more, we export.
10 times.
More than 10 times. Because
this is a time for now nothing to do with
I don't think we export.
We do less export in America still. So
I don't think we export $1 billion or $1 billion US a year. It's less than $1 billion.
No, 1.1 million to US a year.
Blair.
Yes.
We have Donovan in the box and we have the Mighty in the box.
Yeah.
Donovan, 7-7, and we have Mighty.
Mighty one.
And mute your mic, Mighty, and let me hear what you say, or Donovan, whichever.
Oh, respect.
Oh, I love my darling.
Well, you know what I want to ask because I go me did over on JLP live a while ago. Why?
Yeah.
Them say them sure at 39 seat. So when me ask,
Tell them to call election. Don't tell them to call election.
yeah, the same thing.
I long and they see I left it them go win. Like we don't 39 now, election now.
if you show a 39 seat, you say that you secure and call the election and win the 39.
I see it all then. Donovan, it come from 49, you know, to 39.
Yeah.
It's foolish.
Okay.
So then give 10 seats already.
Hold on,
one of that thing I made them say.
Hold on, hold on. Before you move to your second point,
yeah.
I get credible information that the poll from the Jamaica Labour Party suggests that they will win only 22 seats.
See, they come up, Thompson put it up already long time.
22 seats.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. One lady.
All right. Somebody just put it right back there.
Yes.
That is what is giving them the problem. That's why they can't call the election.
Because
naturally, yes, Mr. Blair, right.
Yes, because a lady put it in the box and say it's 22.
Welcome, Thompson.
What the lady, you know, brother?
One person. Then I'm finished.
Yeah, man. May I say one lady put it in the box and say a 22 seat. I mean, them are co-sorry, no, brother. They were co-sorry. So my next point, my next question is that why the labor right them so blind and them not no education, by the way? Because you know who them say make Donald Trump put on the tariff? Damian Crawford. I was just laughing. Them say Damian Crawford talk out time out make Trump put on Trump name tariff on Jamaica.
So what kind of but Damien could have a tariff, you know? So Damien control Donald Trump then, so Damien big.
No, them said Damien talk about them.
I did the camera. I must get the camera. I must get the camera, not Damien.
Yeah. So
our data and camera, yeah.
Yeah.
So you say about put on tariff on the imported.
No, he said never put tariff.
Stupid people that make them comment.
Yeah, and he never Damien never say put on. He said take from the tariff.
All right, you know, it's a Guyana. 35% tariff gone by Guyana.
And look, we look young good 10% input power.
Trinidad at 12%.
Yeah.
Jamaica 10. So let us give thanks to the 10. We the Caribbean people in America, we will still support our Caribbean people. But the exporters will not absorb the 10%. They will pass off the 10% to the consumer.
So Labour right give up 10 seats already.
So all them it is performing them because Donovan.
Yes.
Oh, you have 49 seats. You were won by 49 seats. And now you're down to 30, right?
39.
39.
What they are saying is that them sure at that 39 seat. Them sure at them say them sure at that 39 seat.
Remember, remember 1989, the Jamaica Labour Party have 60 seats. The People's National Party.
No man, 1983. 83.
Hold on, no bless. Let me make my own statement. 1989, the Labour Party had 60 seats in Parliament.
Yeah.
And they lost the 1989 election, 45-15. I say this to say,
yeah,
if them feel like say, two them have 49-14, we can't tumble over 49. They make a sad mistake, we tumble over 60 and grab 45 out of it already.
No. And them one did have all the parliament for themselves.
Them are match. Them can't see themselves with more than 22 seats. That's why them can't call election. If them see 39, then call election long time.
Yes,
because if they mean see 32, then call it. They mean see 32 right now, then call it.
Because 32 is the first number you have to win, you know. In order to win the election.
32.
Come ready, you. That's why Andrew go play the half-inch pipe blue and one community must serve for 1 half-inch pipe. Now we know.
No, they can't find the winnings. They can't see it. Because you can correct me. You can correct me on this. I'm going to make one minute statement. I think this government is the only government. And this made the third time any government go down to 5 years. We call an election.
Yeah.
Because within 4 years and a 4 years,
he didn't call it at 5 years in 89.
But
PNP
if Earth
never got to
starts
5
at
years.
35, why you don't call?
A 6 year ingo, Mr. Blair, ingo 6 year.
John Bramwell.
Yeah, right. That's why I said them all. Yeah, when they can win nothing.
In the box, yeah, the top.
Then dry right out.
Welcome, my brother, welcome.
All right, let me move it.
Alvaro, open your mic.
Afternoon.
Hello?
Afternoon, Alvaro. Welcome.
How coincidental it is that them say 3 months. They want it to be 3 months after September. But what's so unique? And you're going to be in September and the Integrity Commission court case and then going in favor. 1 week after that, you call election. And that I intended plan we have, you know. And you can't go in an election before and win and that the behind them, you know, because anything happening now, go control, we can fix it.
Where am I at? What can I 1 week after?
No, me I say, and you're working in favor, that the election can go beyond September.
Yeah, break up your signal are weak. Your signal are weak.
Every chip out that.
Yeah.
Mighty, come in. Mute and come.
Drop down Alvira and then
busy at the moment, so can't skip me.
No, man,
can't skip me, so I'm busy.
All right, Mighty. Let me pick him up back.
Anyway, and with the 3 months, something there. I'm going to go 3 months unless you know call it 3rd of September. And the opposition ask the Prime Minister of the government. Call the Governor General, then the General dissolve Parliament. You have 3 months on go so. But at that time that the Governor General around the country. Because he don't live out the life of Parliament already.
At the last sitting of Parliament, the Parliament must be prorogued.
Yeah.
The life of the Parliament would have ended.
About the 15th of September.
Yeah, from the 7th of September, Andrew Holness have no power in the Parliament again. Andrew Holness have no power in the Parliament after the 7th of September. The 3rd of September. After the 3rd of September, you have no power in the Parliament. You must either call election or make the Governor General run it for 3 months.
It have to be the first sitting.
The Constitution is clear.
Hey, it's the 15th of September. After the first in the Parliament. Election call it 3rd. When she read now, when man look at read away the Constitution now, because she interpreted it wrong.
Yeah.
But she said, you know, that.
But I don't know where. So why the majority? Why the majority? So then, after them week, that's the majority. So.
Hey, bless one. You just say what she has said, Joe.
We know. We know. We know.
We know after September. We are talking about Joe. That will September.
Yeah, true.
Comrade Elder is in the box. Give him a chance, please.
He don't come up yet. Yeah, he just come up.
No, listen, me. Give me. May I ask one question? Where do I go to search to see if my name is on the thing? Because I go do it right now.
There's, say if Comrade I'm gonna invite her on to see if she can give a I'm gonna invite Kim Pop just because she know exactly how she's supposed to do that.
Okay.
Hold on. Go on.
Go on the EOJ website and type in your name and everything.
Yeah, you can do it.
All right.
Your name and your date of birth.
EOJ.
Yeah.
Just correct spelling your name and your date of birth.
Yeah.
And you'll see the constitution.
Elder, what you have to say? I don't know if you have any.
Good evening to everyone on the panel. Good evening. Good evening.
All right. You hear what Richard Pandia just said on the news? Jamaican exporter of it had seek new market because of the tariff. So you see, we not interpret the thing right.
Listen to me, man, and the setting. Hey, listen to me, man. Yes.
No, but when say the exporter, then if we are going to seek new market, so why that means the tariff affect we?
Right. Listen to me, man. If you see them America stop, listen to me. It tariff did it. It all the 10%. It now affect if small PDS they now buy. Or the PDS they now pay 10%. You might go seek new market. But that we now not afraid. We now the government not control over it. When the tariff they put in, we can't.
We never say government have control over it, my brother. We say it affect we exporter because they have to pay the 10% tariff. And that Pandia just as a panel news.
And the exporter no. Pandu, you know, listen news good. Because Pandu can't answer that kind of a fool.
I news me listen right now.
Yeah, but you know, listen good. Enough for this listen good, man. No, listen.
Me listen good.
You know, listen
good. Jamaica have to see other channel.
We can listen. It gone.
Yeah.
All right. Elder, go ahead.
Yes. Good afternoon.
It's on news right now still.
All right, bless her. We're here.
Yes,
but you come on behind the headline, so you can't listen to behind the headline.
Bless child mute. Yes. Continue. Go on, Elder.
Yes, as I was saying, good evening to each and everyone on the platform.
Yeah.
I am left in a wilderness pertaining to this constitutional rights and the election. Now, if Malibu or Futar man is saying that it is the parliament, as Kanto she talk is like one constitution where say outside of the parliament and one where say inside of the parliament. And now if she's saying that the term is really started from the first sitting. Now the first sitting was the 15th. Right?
Yes, yes.
Tell me now. At 12 days, she would be fighting for like that and behave upon it like so 12 years?
No, she not fight. No, she listen me. We are taking because she tell you constitution. She just stupid. She doesn't read the constitution. What they in the constitution she read? What we are cursed for?
No, but the constitution is not what we are cursing for, my brother.
No,
it is. Yeah, I understand what you mean when you say that, man. What we're fussing about.
But, what we are about, yeah.
It is what the little boarded them is going to start to spread on the media.
Yeah, okay with them. Them understand.
Hold on, my brother. We keep on saying they're not sense, but I know them are the problem, my brother. Is who the simple-minded, who they infiltrate is the problem. The amount of simple-minded that they infiltrate, can be a danger because they will go the other way. So we have to take these into account and we have to let the people understand that don't regard what she's reading because the facts is really this. You understand? When them boarded they start to scandalize and illuminate this across and they little knit with them. We don't understand much for themselves. Start spread it in the village and the street side. The undecided voters who don't really understand about constitutional right or who don't understand when somebody says something like all the people there. That is what we must protect them. So as they come out with them things, we are supposed to start to beat it down and show the people.
But the General Secretary put out a statement.
The General Secretary one person, brother.
Yeah, but him and the party,
the general person, one person.
Yeah, but she do it now.
Listen.
The General Secretary said, I will do it for a platform. But we are saying for evening.
The question is, my brother, General Secretary, one person, the point that I'm trying to make, the point that I'm trying to make, all we platform to strike this thing, all we platform.
We don't need hey, we are buying out with them say that only thing she say we distract we, you know. We shouldn't even talk about this. We should have talk about the budget or we still in the pan. This is a waste of time, this is a distraction.
You see, Elder.
Everybody in have a different understanding and a different point of view.
Yeah, but the distraction.
Hold a second, you can allow each person, once they're not misleading the people, you can allow them in order for them to express what they believe and what they, because one teaches the other. So what Elder is saying is just the same thing as you were saying, you and the other persons along with yourself. But him still can educate other person that is passing through the live to let them understand what it is. Because she is kind of mislead. It is in the Constitution, yes, but she's mislead the people in a small way. So he's not wrong. He's correct, but him still can, show him point of view. So allow him to speak, please. All right? No. And then now you dissect what he's saying. We're not
dissecting. I love this. We're not say that, we don't got to tell comment we don't put no weight pan Malawi.
Yeah, the only point I will make is that Malawi foot where you want corner.
Yeah.
Should have more tact than that.
Exactly.
Not to bring something like that into a conversation mere months to an election.
Exactly.
Because what you're having now is various interpretation of the motive. You understand?
Thank you.
Everybody are going to say, well, there is motive behind it, motive this, and what is the motive? I think sometimes them just need to keep their mouth shut. I think that is the wrong, because that is the only constitutional case she has come out and speak on. She has never come out when the constitutional really DPP was up. She didn't comment. She did not comment on the constitutionality of the Portmore issue. Exactly. So it is very unfortunate for she to come out and to put these things out there. That is why people are going to impute motive now. Even though we know that it is only 12 days, as Elder said. You understand? So why you insert something in our conversation? Mere months before a general election. Sometimes them just need to better than keep themselves quiet. Because they lose a lot of points because of that statement. Because it's a very unfortunate statement, even though she was only reading the Constitution.
Exactly.
But the timing.
That the statement they're not supposed to come from the government where brag say them have done well, and a brag say them are going to win 39 seats, and a brag say them are the best government and the economy is in the best shape. Them the statement they're not supposed to come from them that. Them the statement they're supposed to come from somebody who desperate.
Me wanna mind if
desperate.
We win. Yeah, me wanna mind if we win. So, give them the latitude.
Them they come like some.
Exactly.
Them they come like some people who are trying to hang out a straw. Yeah, and I talk something to see if they can make a comeback.
I sit down and they will glance when they sit there.
If they see the possibility of winning 32 seats, they would have called election.
So we never quote them about 30.
Yeah, when they mention them 39, that's an one person have planning platform, so they are going to win 63.
Right.
So if you go the only point me I make is that it is unfortunate for Malawi to insert this constitutional argument months before an election. Exactly. Because it leaves people to impute motive.
I guess I can call Mr. Blair. Anyhow, the JLP is then win third. Can't never can third is have a strong opposition and call election. You see how me go? If the JLP realize they're going third seat and be a strong opposition, then call election. May I tell you that? A 30 seat, me say, you know. They want a strong opposition. Then call election. Then just do them time and hope say hope says something like comes I see again a hope, and when Gilbert come in, me still not hope. And then when he recover, still not hope.
A third that would be 21.
No. If they say they
then
can,
if then we're not third.
No, me say if they see they can win 30 seats to be a strong
30. Oh, 30. Okay, take 30.
Yeah, then
okay, 30.
Yeah, then call election. If they see say they have 30 seats for sure to win, then call election and be a strong opposition. May I tell you? And so me I show you me never take them and put where they step on practice. Enjoy the job.
So they can work upon the rest.
Yeah, if they see then go there feel and say when we win 30 seats, they can election. I say at least we'll be a strong opposition. Yeah, they don't see that. They just go I wait 39 seats. So we are wait for. You move from 40 to 30 that in a election. Every day you lose one seat. So by the election, you're not gonna lose. That's kind of foolish, sir. Yeah. You talk off of them, man. Then just labor at them then, man. Just talk. Hey, man, I will put nothing past that them because they man in a sense. You man said somebody we write for average and I sit there when we do we rights. Let's say man do man that.
Richard, you know, if you say she and the party leader have discussion why she come out and talk.
As she advised the party Andrew Holness, you know. Remember she was the attorney general now. And when she do foolish, she's a lose 2 cases and Andrew Holness got to do a constitution one new he sitting there with one new ministry, you know.
You wanna listen the statement that she made?
Yeah.
I find it.
Yeah,
on that point,
as where you say that distraction.
Hold it.
Elections are due by September. That is not constitutionally correct. What the Constitution provides for is an outer life for the date of Parliament, and that is 5 years, and the life of the Parliament commences on the first sitting of the Parliament after general elections, not when the general elections are held, because we know that the electoral laws require formalities to be complied with about counting, and sometimes space has to be given for recounts, judicial recounts. So it's important for all Jamaicans to understand that. So that's the specific learning for members of the public today about the holding of elections. And I hope that members of the media who repeatedly report that elections are due by a particular time would take note of the provisions. Of course, we know that the elections may be called at any time. I hear it often said that the elections are due by September. That is not constitutionally correct. The Constitution.
Yeah. That's what she say.
Let's say I'm mad man that.
As you say, we're not put no pressure upon this. Allow that alone and we move on with it. Distraction. Then come with it every
Hold a bit. Let me hear what baby youth say. Him say I'm a party, but me still see some movement when alright. You see it? We can't throw them out of the box and out of the comment. Some of them understand and they're seeing that the things is not right in their side.
Diane, you like me, no, Diane. A lot of time I tell them say we have.
Thank you. Okay.
But let me give you a little.
Hey, we don't take the.
I don't know if it's a him or a she, but she comment there. She comment in a true way. She say her party.
You would understand which part me come from. Listen.
So me want to educate the people them know like baby mouth and make them understand why they not believe in this party governance because of reason. Cause she talk the truth. I'm gonna highlight her for more things.
But there is one wrong statement which Mala O make. In the final clip you just played a while ago, she said, people are saying that election is constitutionally due by September. But it is not so.
Yeah.
But she just contradicts her own self.
Right.
Because the election was 3rd of September and the 15th of September, the life of the parliament begin. So for you to say that it is not constitutionally due by September is wrong.
So it's a different way of doing it.
What she should have said, it is not constitutionally due by the 3rd of September, but rather the 15th of September.
Baby, but that's it done and gone. Me not see.
Matter who fought, the mad woman and he make all on that.
Hey, as the Diane did say, me elaborate on that a little. It's in my year me come from. You know
the party settled that already. Dayton Campbell come and do a press release and it's settled. And I was right from last night. I was right from this morning and I'm still going to write tonight.
Yeah, that.
I don't know if you never hear when Malibu foot brother this about her. But Malibu foot brother come out and say Jamaican people must not trust him sister. Because his parents did a house left him and his sister and Malibu keep away from him. Yeah. Him brother.
Come up, baby mouth. Let's join in, baby mouth. I love you.
But as the Diane was saying, you know, Diane.
Are you doing the PNP song? Hold on, let me hear. Come up, let me hear what you say about the song. Diane, we do the PNP song. Come up, let me hear what you say, my girl.
And them the PNP song say we don't love labor.
Yeah, man. It's a go on, man. Take off.
I know, girl, a boy, a 2 youth.
Some youth, man, 3 youth.
Are them do the PNP songs?
Yeah.
That's what they are saying?
Yeah, so we know like around.
Okay.
Hold on there.
St. Thomas, you them. Okay.
You want my back to come in?
No, the people stay back, you know.